Honey, could you turn on the... Are there any more lights you can turn on?
No, no, you have to...
Can you make them brighter?
Beat up. That help?
Mm.
Oh, here's the good one.
Use the camera and do a photo.
You can't get out. I'm not going to let you out. You're stuck forever. Stuck forever. Can't get out. No way. You're stuck. Can't get out.
Megan, do you want Grammy to read you a book? Can you go to Grammy? Maybe Grammy will read you a book. No.
Yeah. Yours was right on the surface. Granddad's is buried. Deep. Really deep.
That's on tape, too.
I like to use my diaper.
You want to change your diaper?
Yeah, I will just use my diaper.
Because she wants to go play with DOLL. No, I don't think so. I think she might have to go to the bathroom. Megan, do you have to use the